Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm creating adorable Bambi-inspired Halloween makeup look. Let's jump right into it. To start, I'm prepping my face with serum, applying it all over the face to keep the skin hydrated. I'm adding a layer of moisturizer to create smooth, flawless base for the makeup. Applying some concealer to even out the discoloration on the eyelids, then setting it all with the compactor to prevent creasing. Moving on to eyeshadow, I am starting with a light brown shade in the crease for depth, then adding a darker brown to intensify the look. Applying foundation all over the face, blending it out for any complexion. Now I'm setting my eyebrows to add some shape and definition, making them a little more structured for the dewy-eyed makeup look. Using concealer to highlight specific areas like under the eyes, beneath the brows, down the nose, and on the chin. This helps create a soft lip effect. Adding contour to the cheeks, forehead, and nose to give the dimension and structure. This adds a nice shape that suits Bambi's look. Adding some more contour on the nose and attaching it with the eyes. Now I'm applying a line of concealer on the eyelid to create a clean cut crease effect. This helps define the eye area and gives that beautiful wide look. Adding a warm blush to cheeks which doubles as a highlighter, giving a natural glow. Now I'm applying a brown cream color on the nose to create that little Bambi hump look, which adds a cute animal inspired effect. Now I am doing eyeliner, which will be a sharp one because we gotta do a snatched look. Make sure the tip looks very snatched and sharp. Sometimes the eyeliner part is most difficult for some girls, but don't worry, you will do it without any difficulty. Using a light brown under the eyes for a soft shadow effect. Make sure to blend it out very nicely. Time to create the Bambi spot. I am adding small white spots around the eyes, nose, cheeks and forehead to mimic the classic Bambi skin pattern. This adds the final touch to a cute deer-inspired look. Making those spots with my brush. You can do it with anything you are comfortable with. But just be careful because those spots are the main part of our look. Now I'm picking a bigger one to give those spots on the cheeks, forehead. Those spots will depend on everyone's creativity. Just notice that I gave small spots on the nose and on the eyes, and then I gave big spots on the cheeks, forehead. Now I pick up the smaller tip and giving those smaller tips to the cheeks and forehead to even it out. Blending out the nose area a bit to make it look smoother. Remember, blending is the key in makeup, so give it as much time as you need to blend out the makeup. Applying false lashes to make the eyes look bigger and more dramatic. The lips, I am starting with a liner, a dark brown lip liner. I'm using the lip liner more on the upper lip and using up on the lower lip as we have to the upper lip more brown than the down one. Then I'm applying a light brown lipstick, making sure the upper lip is darker, the lower lip is lighter to create a soft gradient effect. And finishing with a bit of gloss for a fuller look. I hope you have find the look easy and will do it. And here's the final Bambi look. Just adding a few final touches, adjusting the hair, and there you have it, a sweet woodland Bambi makeup look perfect for Halloween. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Halloween makeup looks.